blown. Well, I'm not getting the fuse to pop, but outdoor unit's not running either, so let's go out there and see if I can figure out what's going on. Alright, something popped the fuse. And I would have put money on contactor reversing valve, but at the moment it's running, so unless something is rubbed out somewhere, I'm just not touching at the moment. And unmount this contactor and just see. I'll take a look inside too. Once the fan stops moving. Alright. Double check my power, even though unit went off when I what was I doing there? Even though it went off when I pulled the disconnect. So we're gonna switch our meter to ohms. And then we're going to pull off these. Put them out of the way where they won't touch anything. And then we're going to check from side to side on this. And we get 17 ohms, so we are good there. Wire that was kind of stuck to the coil right here, and I was seeing if it was, yeah, if it had rubbed out, but oh no, you're fine. Not bothering me at all. So I was thinking maybe that had rubbed itself out, but now that I'm down in here, I don't see anything. Because I have power now. I don't, and it was saying it was, I heard the click for cooling, nothing happened. So I believe it's that light.
If we run without it, are we risking anything?
Nope. Not a thing. Yep, it's fried.
Oh, it's a UV light?
The fuse is fried again, so I'm gonna unplug this UV light and turn it on again. And see what happens. I was wondering about that, but we have power. Yep. I got your drain line flushed out. It looks good now. I put some of the cleaner I use down it. Mm-hmm. We hooked it here. Hooked common and red. Put the door back on. All right. Well, it's running, so it was that UV light. 57 amps on startup, that's not bad at all. Check the pressures here. Not too sure about this one. The pressure's dropping.
Something wrong with it?
Yeah, the pressure's dropping. Is this the upstairs?
Yeah.
I need to go in there and take a look and see if that fan's running. Yeah, I'll have to take this door off. Let me explain that filter to you real quick. We can go ahead and pull this one out. That might be the problem, actually. It's too dirty. So we'll go ahead and put this in there. But here's the thing with these filters. See how these pleats are so close together?
Yeah.
That restricts the airflow a lot. So I know it says it catches everything and does all this, which it does catch all that stuff, but it's like putting a dirty filter in brand new.
That's good.
So when you're putting this in, it's like taking an old dirty filter and putting it in there. Have a lot of return to begin with. So putting a filter like this up here is going to restrict the airflow a little bit and cause it to look. The pressure might not be low. It might have just been that filter.
Yeah.
So put the disconnect back in and see what my pressures look like.
Is there such a thing that you have to balance the air in the house when you put these in?
Like when putting a filter in?
No, when you put the unit in.
Well, yeah, I mean, they should design it so that everything's
Everything's the same.
Yeah, there's certain formulas and stuff you use when the house is being built to make sure you get the proper airflow to each room. And
Well, this.
it's not dropping. It's staying right around what I would expect it to be around this temperature. So I think it was just that filter.
It might have been.
So
He's going to clean the drain. Put a place on there to do that. You know?
yeah, it really makes a big difference being able to flush it out. Jeez.
What's that, the rubber stuck?
It was stuck right there. I can't tell what it is. There we go. Oh, well, it stopped up. Look at that. It's full. That's completely
really?
full of water.
Uh-oh.
So it looks like you're going to get a tea right now.
Okay. This drain is stopped up.
I'll go get a little.
Have you got the pipe?
Oh, yeah. I got everything for that. So, yeah, we'll get you fixed up.
You want something to put that in?
What?
You gonna suck the water out or what?
Yeah, I'm going to suck it out with this shop vac.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're equipped.
I like my tools.
Mm-hmm. You got a body cam on. take long, did it?
Nope.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Huh?
It's full all the way up to here.
With water?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll just have to cut it down here and
Huh?
I'll just have to cut it down here and vacuum it out. See if I can get this thing unstopped without getting drenched. Should be fun. My coupling here. One cut it right here. That's the only spot I can really get to. Where did my fitting go? I'm assuming it's the trap that's stopped up. Wow. Side. This is the... Oh, no, it might be. I can feel some junk right there. Let's see what happens.
That light might help you a little bit.
Oh yeah, we're good.
One more.
Alright, might as well flush this one out too. Since we're up here. That should have been glued, whoever did that. Alright, it's flowing. Alright, we're back at this one for startup. They're supposed to have the power on now, so I'm gonna go get everything turned on, do my startup sheet, and see how it looks. I gotta program this board for this unit. That's the wrong way. It's like this. You need the menu. No, alert menu, configuration menu. That's what we want. Restore default, no, airflow mode, CFM. External, no. Outdoor type, heat pump. Outdoor tonnage is 3. Outdoor unit type is a 1-to-1. Continuous fan, 35%. 50% on that. Cooling CFM per ton. I'm gonna go with the whole 400. Cooling delay. Heat CFM per ton. Oh. $400 on that. Heat pump delay. Indoor heat type, emergency heat configuration. There should be a 15K. Emergency heat airflow low. What does this say? What a 15. Okay. Let's see. Like 66 degrees in here. One other treat. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Very intimidating when I first opened the door. Had to get back to the truck and get some dog treats because I wasn't sure they were going to let me in without eating me. Alright, got the probes hooked up. It's only 66 degrees outside. It's going to make it really hard to charge this accurately. Try to do this without anything completely done. Just gonna make that more difficult. They're back upstairs in a second. The TM9, since you can't drill into it to do a static pressure test, it does all that for you. So the board should have all that information on it. Just have to go through it and find it. So we're gonna let this run for just a few minutes and see where we're at. We need a 10 degree subcooling, which is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go upstairs and see what it says for the static pressure where we're at. I don't know how I was gonna pick this up, but it shows my EEV is open, 337 out of 500. My coil temp is 37 degrees. Gas temp 55. That's for the suction line. Superheat 17. Airflow data. Consistent CFM. Motor data. Static pressure. External static pressure 0.59. So that's good. That's good. That's what I wanted to see. So 0.59. So far I'm at 14 degree split, 7 degrees subcooling, 17 degrees superheat. I have noticed that Let me get under this. He has 0 insulation up here. None whatsoever. I'm hoping he plans on insulating it because it should have insulation. I don't know. Not my house, but it should. Considering the temperature outside, everything looks good to me. I got 16-degree Delta T, 9-degree superheat right now. I'm hovering around between 8 and 6 on the subcoil. I'm calling for a 10, so I'm in the range that I need. Plus or minus 3. So I'm gonna call this good.
You ain't got your duck langer here, do you?
I have it in my truck.
Huh?
Probably have one.
Are the ducks going?
That's one of them. It's going there. One's going here. Cold air return's going under the steps and into there for that one. And then we'll pan across there and put our duck on that side and go down that wall. It'll be fun.
We need to get these windows in.
I'm pretty sure that's what comes in that. When I was on, it's right with this wall.
Turn.
Three here and here.
No, it's this one.
Here and there.